Welcome, today I've heard of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should just unlock our smartphone, and after that we should open the Muviz Edge application. Now we have selected here this theme. We can use the another one. For example, let's use the first one. To apply this theme, we should click on the right down corner to apply. We can just change the backgrounds of this theme. You can just select one from these backgrounds which you will like. For example, I'll go with this one, then just tap here to apply them. We can also change here the music controls. We can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can turn on and turn off option to show incoming notifications from different apps, also the date to show it or turn it off, and the battery status to show it always while they were charging or just to don't show it. Now just let's click here on this X icon and select settings. After that, click here to the always on display section, and also we can switch here the show on time on screen lock always while they were charging when we play the music. We can also use these features separately, and we can switch timeout from 1 minute just to an hour. We can increase or decrease the brightness level to 100%, and we can turn off the A or D feature by double or single tap on the lock screen. We can also turn it off, close it in on screen off, and we can set a schedule, the start and the on time to turn on and turn off the always on display feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.